We're going to build a mojito planter using 3 different types of mints and some edible flowers. I'm going to add kelp meal to my planter. It's a really good source of micronutrients. Eyeball just over a cup. You do 3 tablespoons per gallon. And then I'm going to work it into the soil. These girls like to mingle, so I'm going to show you how to keep them separated in your pot. I'm going to cut this pot to about this depth. Recycled milk jugs work just as well. And these act like collars to keep your mints separated. You want about 6 to 8 inches of depth to keep your mint roots contained. The milk jugs, if you're using, aren't as firm, so you want to take away some of the soil and then add the soil back in. I like to top up my little pot. We're going to plant the mint. We're going to plant our next one. Got our mojito mint. And now we're going to plant our trailers. I'm using nasturtium because the leaves are edible and the flowers are edible as well. Next, I'm planting the baby rose nasturtium. Last, I'm going to plant the final nasturtium. And then we're going to water them in. Happy cocktail season. See you soon.